Hey guys, it's Brittany Winery with the Wolek Group at Keller Realty. I am here in Midtown at this fabulous new listing. Let's take a walking tour. So this beautiful Craftsman home is available and looking for new owners. The location of this property is absolutely amazing. We are on 14th Street, literally a 5-minute walk to Cherry Street. So pretty. This home has a lot of the original features and has been restored, and they have done such a beautiful job keeping the originality and the charm of this home. So first thing is this beautiful front porch. So pretty. They have the original windows, which are so charming and cute. And let's head on inside. So as we come in, one of the very first features are these original hardwood floors that have been refurbished to their original beauty. This living space has crown molding, lots of natural light, and they've put in this really great track lighting for in the evenings. So pretty. As we turn around here, you're going to find the formal dining space, crown molding, absolutely beautiful. And the floor plan in here is just fabulous. Every room is a really great size, which is very hard to find in the Midtown area and in this age of home. And so the floor plan, as you walk in here to the formal dining, if you go to the left, you have all of the bedrooms and the 1.5 baths. And to the right, you have the kitchen, which gives you access to the back patio and the backyard, and also one of the bedrooms. So let's head on in here, check out the bedrooms first, and then we will go check out the kitchen. So this hallway is awesome. It's really large, full of great storage. We have bedroom number 1. Lots of natural light, crown molding. Really pretty. Great size closet right here. Really pretty. And then we have to showcase this awesome hallway because it is very large. Of course, the hardwood floors are carried throughout this entire home. And then we come to the full bathroom, which has been restored to its original beauty, all white with lots of natural light. So pretty. And then we have bedroom number 2. So it is listed as a 2-bedroom, and this bedroom is being used as a 3rd bedroom. So it does not have a closet. It's even better. What they've done is now you have a half bath to utilize for guests. So really pretty, gorgeous tile, so cute. And then of course this bedroom is full of natural light and those beautiful hardwood floors. As we turn around here, we're going to go into the 3rd bedroom. So again, hardwood floors, really, really pretty. That door will take you out into the kitchen. And then I'm gonna turn around here because I gotta show you my favorite part, which is the awesome storage and built-ins. So cute. And you have a great closet there. And then we're gonna walk back out here, back into the formal dining space, and then head on into the kitchen. So they turned this great area into a nook breakfast area, which is perfect. And then you see these beautiful cabinets. They are the originals and have been restored using a 4-step process. They've got beautiful granite and an updated backsplash. And then of course, a pantry and also your basement access. So there's a full laundry in the basement. And then you've got this original vent hood that has been restored. And this galley kitchen is really, really spacious. Lots of room. These knobs and hardware are absolutely gorgeous. So pretty. And now let's head on outside to check out the backyard space. So there are no homes behind this property. You have a neighbor to the left and a neighbor to the right. And then you have this awesome privacy fence that really creates this backyard oasis. It's so pretty. And of course a 2-car garage. And then I'm gonna come down here. So lots of landscaping back here. And then as we turn around here, you're gonna see the back patio deck space. So really, really pretty covered patio to enjoy in the mornings or the evenings. And of course this awesome backyard. So pretty. So for more information on this fabulous property in Midtown, located less than 5 minutes from Cherry Street if you walk, contact the Wolek Group.